Did you know your winter garden hides a treasure trove of seeds? Those hardy crops braving the cold can give you a head start on next year's harvest. Stick around for pro tips. Winter crops are tough cookies. Think kale, cabbage, or even parsnips. They survive frost, snow, and chilly winds, which makes their seeds extra special. Why? Because they've got genetics built to thrive in tough conditions. Saving these seeds means you're banking resilience for future gardens. Plus, it's like a secret rebellion against store-bought packets. Take that, big seed companies. Ever wonder why some seeds look so weird? It's nature's way of saying, I've got a story to tell. Here's the juicy stuff. How to do it. First, let your winter crops bolt. That's when they shoot up flowers after the cold. For leafy champs like kale or spinach, wait for those funky yellow blooms to dry into pods. Root crops like carrots, leave a few in the ground over winter. They'll flower next spring. Timing's key. Harvest when pods or seeds turn brown, but before they scatter. Use a paper bag to catch seeds from crumbly pods. Shake them like a maraca for a fun harvest dance. Clean off the chaff, aka the fluffy stuff, and dry them on a plate somewhere warm but not hot. Moisture's the enemy here. Now let's keep those seeds happy. Store them in paper envelopes. Plastic traps moisture and turns your seeds into a science experiment gone wrong. Label them with the crop and date. Trust me, you won't remember that one leafy thing next year. Pop them in a cool, dark spot like a jar in your fridge. Expert secret, toss in a silica packet to zap any sneaky humidity. You're not just saving seeds, you're planting hope for a greener tomorrow. And there you have it. Seed-saving magic from your winter crops. It's fun, it's free, and it's a little gift from your garden to you. Try it out and imagine the stories these seeds will tell in your next harvest. If you loved this, please hit that like button, subscribe for more garden goodies, and share this with your plant-loving pals. What winter crop are you saving seeds from? Drop it in the comments. I'm dying to know. See you in the dirt next time.